Hey, hey, hey. All right. Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about Stellar. Yes. And you know what? You're probably going to hear me call it Stella because Stella sounds cute. Okay? So Stellar, Stella. Okay? That's what I'm going to say. I'm not confused. All right. So this is the Stella website. We're going to talk about Stella. We're going to see the price where it's at. And of course, we're going to look at the chart. And I'm going to say what the chart is saying. But I wanted to show you the website because some people have never even seen it, right? So this is it, where blockchain meets the world. Okay, where blockchain meets the world. All righty, let's just scroll through, see what this even looks like. Okay. Oh, that was cute. All right. So that's the website. All right. So now let's move on. Let's move on. Scrolling back up. Let's move on here. All righty. So just a little bit of data. All right. So we're around 10 cents right now. Okay. We know that. For people who wanted to know, well, how much is the market cap? That's how much it is. 3.1 bill. All right. How much is diluted? This 5.2 bill. Right. Total volume. Here we go. All right. Now the all-time high. This is where everybody wants to go back to and beyond, right? 88 cents, all-time high. All right, and then how much is circulating? 25.3 bill, max supply 50. All right, just wanted to shout out some of those facts as we go to the chart. Miss Moneymaker, anything that moves, I'm going to get into it. Let me get my marker here. All right, so this is where the price is right now. Trading down here, okay, $10. $10, sorry. 10 cents. I'm used to saying, bigger numbers, right? Okay, so 0.1074. Okay, so there we are. We're down here. Now, let's look at this. We're here, but I'm gonna give you a minute to soak this in because I was on this chart before. This is why I have these lines from before. All right, so before we had came up, price that came up here, okay, people sold. We rejected. And then this kept happening, right? So this is how I was able to draw a trend line. I was like, okay, look at this. Okay, look at the pattern, right? Okay, and so I could project it outward. So I just extended the line. And I was like, okay, until we could cross, this imaginary line that's actually playing out, how people are buying and selling, right? Because clearly it happened. Because my line was only like to here before, and I extended it before I started making this video. I said, wow, look at this. It happened exactly like how I drew it. And then the support level, I said, okay, I had the support level going just to here, right? And then I put it further out before I started this video. I said, wow, price is reacting. Okay, so this was a support. Okay, that was a floor. Like if we're in a house, this was the floor. Okay, because everybody's walking on the floor. People, the crypto, when I say stock, the crypto held this price. Okay, so I was like, okay, so this is support. So if I had to buy, I was like, okay, this is a nice area, at that time. We came down further. So, and I had this line previously drawn too, this trend line, right? I said, wow, look, it reacted there. Okay, so this is good. So this is another support. All right. So now we're here. What's going to happen now? I just wanted to, go back to show you that. Okay, what's going to happen now? All righty. So here we are. You see this green line? That's called a 20-day moving average, right? For the last 20 days. Okay. So now you see before it was going downward, right? You see now it's going sideways. Okay. So for the last 20 days, so the stock is not moving down anymore. Now it's going sideways. You have to go sideways before you go up. Okay. So you see this purple line? 50 days. For the last 50 days, okay, it's going downward. But this will start to curl up, this purple line. That's what you need. You need this purple line to start curling up. This is the 200-day. So my point is right now, on this day where this is a red candle, we need to hold. Okay, you need to start holding. So either as in the crypto not going down anymore. So if it's here, we need to start curling up and break through this. This is hard. It tried to break through this moving average before and it couldn't. Here, one time. Here, two times. Okay? Eventually, it will. That's how life goes. Eventually, it will. It's just when, right? So maybe the third time, maybe the fourth time. Okay? So will you hold here? Will it be able to get through this level? Okay? So you have some resistance here. That's your immediate resistance is, okay, let me just, Okay, I'm just doing it so the numbers you can see the numbers better on this side. Okay, that's why I'm doing that. So you have some resistance around this area because of this purple line and these candles. Okay, so that's some resistance in this price area. Okay, all right, I want to show you that. Now what's the next resistance? Okay, you got problems here, a little bit of resistance. Once we break through this purple line, you see right here where this wick and this purple line meets, right? Okay, you're going to have a little bit of issue here too. So there's a couple of areas you're going to need to get above. Okay, so I'm going to draw the trend lines so you can see it. All right. All right, going to draw another one so you see what's above you. All righty, and what you have to go get through. Okay, so these price levels. Okay, all right, over here. So you have to go through these areas. Okay, and then this one. All right, going across. Okay, so you have a couple of areas of where price has to break through. If you drop below this blue trend line, then you probably go here, okay? Because that's what it's done before. So that's what it should do again. So you could probably go around there. Can I make it? Okay, so down here, you see this is, right? Okay, so, and then to me, this would be a nice buy zone. I would love that. So like if you go down that far, oh, why do I say? See, look back here, people. Okay, price doesn't forget. Okay, it doesn't forget. So down here, what is that for me? Hold on. What does that mean to me? This my guy. This my lady. This is called that's what I call this. What do you mean? Well, what do I mean? I mean this guy. That is my precious levels, guys. Okay. When you see down here, if you could catch some, if you're into this coin, catching it down here and here, this, people, is a good, because we had support here. So buying down here at those, anything between this, make it prettier. Okay. All right. Anything down there, that's nice because you could buy here. I'm not telling you have to sell up here. Okay. You do that kind of, you can start playing it like that. All right. So once again, buy here. And then you see this area here? We touched this area, this price. What price is this? 13 cents. One time, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5. So you're going to go to 13 cents eventually. You know that. Okay. Because it happened before. So okay, well, that's safe. I know I'll go there in case you want to trade in and out of it a little bit. Okay, so that's a level. So hopefully, anyway, just want to show you that. But right now, this is where we're trading at. Okay, so I showed you if you go up, you have to get through your levels here. If you go down, this should be another support, a floor, like you should go like that. Okay, if not, then it's lower. But this is, so this is stellar. Right now, technically, they're saying it's a sell because you have to get above these lines, okay, these moving averages. That's important. So, the coast is not clear yet. The coast is not clear yet, okay? But I just wanted to make sure oops. Oh, Lord, look at that. Hold on. There we go. I just wanted to make sure I showed you stellar. Okay, Stellar Luna, old time fave from back in the day, right? All righty. If you like this content, click like and subscribe. I told you about those buy zones down below. If you see those kind of buy zones, you know what to do. If you're into it, you know what to do. All righty. Gratitude turns what we have into enough, by the way. That's just a statement. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. Click like, subscribe. I'll see you next time in the next video. Peace out.